Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF file. So actually it is very quick and easy. So first of all, for example, I have this PDF file. I want to edit this file, and the easiest way is to have the program called Adobe Acrobat or some other stuff if you have other programs. But if you do not have these applications, the easiest way of how you can edit a PDF file is to simply type in here in the search bar free PDF editor and go to Adobe website here. So click on it. You will see this window pops up, and now you need to simply click on the select a file here and select the PDF file that you want to edit. So click on open here, and then it will ask you to log into your account, Adobe account. You need to log in, and then it will start the loading screen like I have here. So now at least as you can see 100%. Now my PDF file is loading. So I have here my PDF file, and now I can start editing it. So we have some tools here in the left bar. So I can add a comment if I want. So you can select the place where you want to add a comment. So for example, I'll just type here simply comment and then click on the post. So now you will have a little comment here. You can add text comment if you want. This is the same but with the text, as you can see. You can replace selected text, so you can select the text that you want to replace and type here some other text. So just for example text, and then click on the post button, so it will be strike through, and if you select it you will see the replaced text here. So basically there are other stuff. You can highlight text if you want, just simply do it like that. You can change the color of the highlight. You can underline, strike through. This is the same as the highlighting, just simple as that. You can always change the color just by simply pressing on it. Strike through. Then you can simply draw on this PDF file whenever you want, whenever you want. Then of course you can type text. So for example, in the end I want to type something like important. Yeah. You can also add some check marks. So for example, this problem is solved, so add a check mark here. Besides the check marks you have cross mark, dot, etc. And of course you can add your signature by clicking add signature right here. So for example, I will go with a pizza. You can always change it or draw it, or also you can select the image of your signature on your computer, but I'll go with this one, and in the end I will just paste it right here. And basically that is it. That is depends on what you want from your PDF. And when you are ready you need to click on the download button right here, choose the PDF format. I will go with this PDF and click on download PDF right here. It will now save the changes, and here you can just download it to your computer clicking on the save button. And basically that is it. That is how you can edit PDF for free. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.